In today's fast-paced world, the core industries that power our economies face a critical challenge: the mismanagement of spillage. This challenge can have severe implications on their overall efficiency. Imagine a world where spillages are no longer a headache. Aeropower is here to revolutionize spillage management in core industries like thermal power, cement, steel, alumina, refineries, mining, chemical, and foundries. With Aeropower's state-of-the-art systems, we collect and recover raw material and finished product spillages, recycling them back. But how do we do it? It starts with understanding your unique requirements. Our team conducts comprehensive site surveys, getting to the heart of the spillage challenge. Based on our findings, we recommend the perfect system for your specific application. Aeropower doesn't stop at recommendations. We design and produce customized spillage collection and recovery systems that fit your needs like a glove. Our turnkey projects provide complete spillage management solutions, addressing every aspect of your requirements. And yes, we even have robotic solutions for those high risk-prone areas. We take care of it all, from supply and installation to commissioning and ongoing operation and maintenance. Aeropower has you covered. Our team provides hands-on training on system usage and equips you with standard operating procedures for easy reference. But wait, there's more. Aeropower offers custom-built spillage management solutions tailored to your unique needs. We recover raw materials and waste, recycling them back into production lines. This keeps your operations clean, efficient, and breakdown-free. This system can be made fixed or portable with an option of electric and diesel version. The benefits of Aeropower's spillage management solutions are immense. Reduce spillages, downtime, wastage, and manpower while boosting efficiency, productivity, and resource optimization. Our systems ensure clean and safe workplaces, meeting environmental policies and norms. Aeropower goes the extra mile with our value-added services. We provide technical assistance, comprehensive operation and maintenance packages, nationwide after-sales service, and a dedicated service control center. With Aeropower's expertise and comprehensive solutions, you can achieve higher operational efficiency, reduce costs, and maintain a cleaner, safer work environment. Together, let's overcome spillage management and embrace a greener future.